A document-oriented LMS with integrated text classification for gender equality assessment. Authors: Olga Cherednichenko, Glib, Tereshchenko, Iryna, Kyrychenko, Oleksandr, Shanidze, Anzhelika, Vorzhevitina. Let us consider introduction, review of related works, document-oriented LMS design, document-oriented LMS design utilization, automatic text classification methods in LMSs, experimental validation, conclusions. In response to the dynamic changes and crises affecting the education sector, this paper introduces a document-oriented learning management system designed to integrate multiple independent components of e-learning. By reviewing recent studies, trends, and competent standards in the LMS field, we propose an ontology for the document-oriented system and develop a framework for representing learning and practice objects. This framework is tailored to support a multimedia learning environment reflecting the evolving technological needs in education. Approaches to integrate automatic text classification methods into a learning management system to improve their functionality and effectiveness are proposed, particularly for gender equality assessment. In the last several years, France's education system has faced challenges such as epidemic and war that significantly impacted it, making full-time study invaluable and forced to distance-based learning. Martial law has also the problem of gender equality, which manifests itself in various aspects of life, including education. Despite the globality of the problem and the fact that it has been going on for several years, existing tools and approaches are far from being as effective as full-time studies to enable e-learning truly. Therefore, there is a need to build a learning management system that could provide valuable tools to empower the virtual nature of modern learning and help teachers and students overcome challenges. The goal of this research is to analyze available knowledge in the learning field to design a flexible learning management system that could allow acquiring modern approaches to delivering knowledge to access results in various mediums and to help resolve other components of learning. The design and development of learning management systems have been extensively studied to enhance educational outcomes and user engagement. The analysis of available scientific works showed us the importance and imperfection of the current state of LMS-related research. We can conclude that the term LMS is ambiguous as it is used as an umbrella for a combination of learning management systems, content management systems, and learning content management systems. We will use the term LMS as a commitment to building an e-learning system based on a novel, document-oriented approach. Based on the analysis, we came to the following requirements for our future system: the flexible multimodal nature of the learning and practice materials, document-oriented system design that would enable the incorporation of cutting-edge learning approaches and general enhancement over existing systems, ability to integrate existing learning object repository, source banks. Proposed document-oriented LMS architecture offers flexibility through multimodal content support that accommodates various learning materials from text to metaverse integration, modular design with a clear separation between ontology and objects, allowing for independent development and integration of components, extensible object type system that enables adding new learning and practicing object types without modifying the core architecture, and adaptable integration mechanisms for both internal and external education tools. This structured approach enables flexible content organization while maintaining clear educational pathway. The system is built upon an ontology of key entities: course unit, learning object, and practice object. To prove the possibility of implementing LMS based on our design, we outlined the main scenarios of system behavior, including learning object loading flow, practice object loading flow, and object upload flow. These scenarios highlight key aspects of the proposed design. Increasing textual information in educational platforms makes effective automatic text classification critical for organizing and structuring learning materials. Applying these methods can improve categorization, simplify information retrieval, and increase the efficiency of learning text analysis. In LMS, automatic text classification can be used for personalizing learning, automating assessment, classifying materials, analyzing feedback, and identifying discussion topics. Modern approaches to automatic text classification include various methods and algorithms that allow the automatic classification of text data according to their topics. A critical area of analysis is the identification and analysis of texts that reflect gender inequality in the education environment. The application of text classification for gender equality assessment represents a significant innovation in LMS functionality. Different text classification methods can be used, such as naive Bayesian classifier, support vector method, neural networks, and vector space. The choice depends on the data volume, computational resources, and required interpretation. To validate our document-oriented LMS, we conducted experiments focusing on system flexibility, text classification accuracy, and integration capabilities. Prototype was implemented using MongoDB, Python, and React, tested with 45 students and 3 instructors over 4 weeks. Results showed that our approach required 68% less development time for implementing changes compared to traditional systems. The automatic text classification achieved up to 91.2% accuracy in flagging discriminatory language. Our architecture also achieved seamless integration with external systems. These findings confirm that our three-pillar approach, flexible architecture, text classification capabilities, and advanced integration, forms a comprehensive solution that significantly enhances the effectiveness of distance learning in challenging circumstances. A review of related works underscores the transformative potential of advanced LMS systems while identifying relevant gaps in integration and functionality. Our proposed LMS framework addresses these deficiencies by offering a structured yet adaptable platform that supports many learning activities and assessment types. The proposed approaches can be used to automate the assessment of students' work, personalize learning and integrate with external resources. Further research will focus on refining individual components such as short transfer assessments, learning path recommendations, and course ranking to improve the learning effectiveness and user experience. Thanks for watching.